unfiltered update stream. Straight from the heart of the Pimcore team. Breaking the mold, we're bringing it new. Knowledge and power directly to you.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Pimcore Insights. My name is Patrick. I'm a product manager at Pimcore, and today I'm joined by
Marvin. I'm a front-end developer at Pimcore.
Hi Marvin, thank you very much for your time. Marvin, in our latest platform version in 2026.2, we included a dark theme, and the dark theme is not only about switching the UI from light colors to dark colors. It's now way more, so it's a complete theme manager. And now I'm wondering, can you show us what this theme manager is capable of?
Yes, sure. Let's have a look. So first of all, you can find the theme manager now under appearance and branding. So it's really a complete replacement for the already existing appearance and branding. It's still including the features and it's still backwards compatible in that direction. But on top, we added some more features. So for example, what we also can do now here is to really directly switch to our dark theme. And when I now save, then we can see that it's now applied for the next session that we are opening. And when I do a reload now, then we already can see the new dark theme directly built in the backend power tools. So when it's now loaded, you definitely can see that all the different areas are adjusted, that we have completely different highlighting. Maybe we can also check a few different areas. So maybe let's go for our class editor maybe. Of course, we have a lot of input fields there. So we can also see that also here, all the different colors for our icons are adjusted, that we have different highlighting for the fields. Maybe let's also open a data object or a grid. Maybe let's go for product data and go for our cars. And there you can also see that we really have a complete implementation of the dark theme here now available.
Well, nice. I guess that will be my default theme for the future. Really cool.
Yeah, it's a really cool one. I like it as well.
Yeah. In the appearance and branding section, I've seen there have been two entries under system, what it was called, system themes. So that means these two, they are provided from the beginning, right?
Yeah, exactly. So the Pimcore Light theme is, of course, the one that you have always available. And the Pimcore Dark theme is now shipped with the backend power tools.
Okay, and what about those custom themes?
Yeah, and of course, when you want to go a bit more for real company identity, then you also have the possibility to create completely new themes. And for that, you even have the possibility to define completely new token sets. So that's still something where you need a developer for. But when this is done, then you really can go crazy with it and do a lot of coloring here. So maybe let's take, in this case, our Deep Royal one. That is a branch of the dark theme. And when I now save, make it the default one and do a quick reload, then we already see a bit more purplish version here. And when it's now finished loading, then you also can see that we really have some more purplish backgrounds here, that we have a bit of different highlighting, so that you really can adjust even the backgrounds or the overall look of the whole theme. And of course, it also does not apply only for the dark theme. Of course, you can also completely customize the light theme. In this case, we also used the typical options that we know from appearance and branding, so that you also can place a custom logo, also a new background image. And okay, so let's set this as the default one. Then let's do a quick logout maybe to also see our background image that we added. And there you can see it that we already have it even on the login screen, that we now are more in a bit of a greenish theme, that we have the possibility, of course, to change the background and so on. And when we now go into the theme, or when we now log in and look at the theme, then you will also see that we really have a complete greenish or a bit more heading into the greenish Pimcore here. So it's really cool that you can change it in that direction as well.
So on the color tab, it's the same as it was before, where we had one configuration. So these two options, so for the background and the brand color, that can be changed, and the rest is done with the tokens, right?
Exactly. So most of it is still token related, it's still in the hands of the developers.
Yeah.
Since it's really using all the design tokens that are placed from the design system. So you really have a lot of control over all these areas. But in the future, there's also planned to add a few more controls that you even can customize it even further as a developer and then also as a user.
Okay. You always use this default toggle. What is that for? What does that mean?
This default toggle says in the end that it will be set for the whole system. So even the users have the possibility to decide which themes they have, but the default behavior is that the user always has the default theme assigned. And the moment where you switch the default theme, you can switch it for all users that didn't have decided for a different theme in this case. So
okay, that means you can change the themes on a user basis?
Yeah, exactly. So for example, when I go to my profile here, then you will also find this appearance and branding area here, where you then have these themes that you have defined. And really can choose really what you want to assign to your user. Maybe let's go with our dark theme again, save it here, and switch it back. Then we see that now the dark theme is applied for my user here.
Is it only in the profile page, or is it also possible for an administrator to assign a theme to a user?
Of course, you can also do that completely in the user management. It's located at the exact same place. And also when we now check it again here, then we can also see that this is now the one that is assigned for my user. And here we can even see which is the one that is applied for the whole system.
Cool. That's really nice. Thank you very much, Marvin, for this interesting insight.
No problem.
I would say we are at the end. So if you don't want to miss any new episodes, don't forget to subscribe and see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.